What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. They are the names of people, places, animals, and things. Human qualities, emotions, and feelings also are nouns. Now let's just look at the sentences. I have a pen. There is a noun in this sentence. It is pen. It is a noun because it is the name of a thing. Our teacher is very good at teaching us. In this sentence, there is a noun. It is teacher. It is a noun because it is the name of the person who is giving you lessons. We are going to the park. There is a noun in this sentence. It is park. It is a noun because it is the name of the place we are going to. That dog is very ferocious. In this sentence, there is a noun. It is dog. It is a noun because it is the name of that animal. I was full of happiness to see her. There is a noun in this sentence. It is happiness. It is a noun because it is the name of the emotion that I felt. Now you understand what are the nouns? Find the nouns in your surroundings and mention them in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more.